Hello and welcome to another Nimble video tutorial. I want to take this time to wish everybody a happy holiday, Merry Christmas, or whatever you celebrate during this holiday season. I'm doing something different today. I'm filming this video on my LG double wide monitor because I added a really nice enhancement to Nimble and I want to make sure I debut it for you today. In the last video, I mentioned and I was finishing up the import-export packaging functionality. I walked away from it for a few days so I could think about the direction, the future of it, and make sure I had enough polish on it. And then I circled back around to it and then added the final touches to the feature. I usually do that. That's generally my behavior. I finish the quick prototype or finish the feature, and then I walk away from it to add polish, and I just really hammer the idea through my head of the direction I want this to go in the future. So what I ended up adding was versioning to the packaging feature. And with it, you can create, or as you create a new package, it will version control it, increment your version, and allow you to maintain all of your versions in really nice files. I'll give you a look at how it works. You select the package tab, and then you can load any of your previously designed packages. In this case, I will load I'll use a message box package. Version 2. If I open that package, all of the selected files will be highlighted or boldfaced within your package project list. So these are all the files that I have included in the latest version of the package. I can create a new package and it will bump up the version and include, of course, any new files or features with the package. It will maintain and keep track of all the versions for each package you create and allow you to use one Nimble project for all of your shared packages. So within this simple common dialog project, I have created 3 separate packages. Common widgets, common input, common message boxes, and of course Nimble Drive. That's 4, sorry. It really turned out nice. So now I have the ability to share this functionality with any of the projects that I want to build with Nimble. This week, I took the time to really use Nimble when building this project, and one of the things that I did notice, or one of my own gripes with the product, was I couldn't use it the way I would normally use Notepad++. This is my default editor. This is the thing that I've been using when I use Nimble version 4. I linked Notepad++ to that IDE, and what I always do is have a split screen editor running at all times. So I made the ability, I used the multi-instance capability within Nimble, the framework or the runtime itself. I turned it on with the use of the editors. So now you can open up an editor, split screen, compare code, and then of course multitask as you see fit. I think this is the most powerful feature of Nimble, of course. So now I've got 2 code snippets here. Of course I can minimize this, open up another one. When you open up another one, it will go to the default view, change the window to dock to the right, and now it will persist that view whenever I start a third dialog. It will, as you continue to add new editors or bring in new files, it will maintain and save the state when you close. So everything will always work the way you last used it. Just a nice feature I wanted to show you, and I needed my double wide monitor to really, hammer this feature home so you can really appreciate it. But as you can see, Nimble works really quickly with all even with all the animations that I have going on. It is not suffering when it comes to response and speed, even at this resolution. Things are looking sharp, at least in my opinion. The Nimble IDE, the import-export package feature, multi-instance editing. I don't know what I'm going to do next year. I'll think of something. Thank you for watching.